Right now I'm lowering him all the way down. Very good. But we want to get to the point where I stand and down. That's the point we want to get to instead of having to lower down. Yes, very good. Even though the lower is fading gradually because I don't have to touch the floor and everything. So, but still, we want to get it to that point. And all that takes is repetition. We need to go through the routine and then get to a point where he is offering the behavior beforehand. So at that point, as soon as I begin to point downward, he will get it and he will go down. Yes, very good. Very good down. So we're going to work on that now. Sit. Good boy. Very good. Down. Yes, good. Yes, good girl.
Follow.
All right, come here, buddy. Good. Sit. Yes, good. Sit. Free. Very good. All right, sit. Yes, good. Sit down. Very good. So that's how I'm building on the routine. Sit. Good. Sit. Down. Yes, very good. Free. Very good. This way. Come here. Good. Sit. Yes. Down. Down. Yes. Good. Down. Very good. Free. Very good. This way. Sit. Good. Sit. Down. Yes. Good. Down. Free. Very good. Come here. This way. Good. Sit. Good. Sit. Down. Yes. Good. Down. Good. Down. This way. Good. Sit. Good. Down. Yes. Very good boy. Good boy. Free. Very good. This way. Good. Coco. Good boy. He's just doing his job as a good good security, right? Good. Sit. Yes. Down. Ah, we were almost there. Yes. Very good. Good. Free. Good boy. Let's try it again. Good boy, Coco. Good boy. Come here. Good. Sit. Good. Sit. Down. Down. Yes. Free. Very good.
Like and follow.